Hello everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute, and today I'm going to talk about the whistle voice register. So let's do it. Alright, so the whistle voice register is the highest register of the human voice. In most singers, it starts usually above soprano high C, which is the C6, and it extends to 2 Ds above D7. It is created by using only the back of the vocal folds. With proper vocal training, it is possible, most women and some men, to develop this part of their voice. But what's insane, that many babies and children can produce this sound regardless of the sex without any conscious effort. In children, the whistle voice register starts usually above the high C, which is the C6, like I mentioned, and extends to 2 Gs above the G7. Which is actually just proves what we always say, that we are literally bored with knowing everything, all these techniques. But over time, for somehow, we forget. So when you think about that, no, I don't know how to do this, I cannot do this. Yes, you can. It's in there. It's in there. You just need to bring it out with technique, with training and technique. So these are the main things you need to know about the whistle voice register. I really hope it helped you and give you some more information. If you have any questions, please post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com and see you soon. Bye bye.